sailing through the stormy seas, no land in sight, searching for a way back home, the endless night, facing monsters and temptations, the gods decide. I'll make it through this journey with hope as my guide. Encountering sirens singing their enchanting call, tempting me to leave my ship to watch me fall. But I resist the melody and stay on my path. I'll conquer every challenge with a warrior's ride. Through the trials